Hey, what's up, everybody? 2009 Ford Flex, as you've seen in some of the videos. I've been working on it, doing little modifications here and there. Recently, our AC only gets cold while driving down the highway, and then it just kind of stays cool or cooler when we sit still. Like, it just doesn't get as cold as it should. It should freeze you out. And I think the reason is behind that is of the dual fan setup. I know you can see one metal shroud down here, or one metal backing right there for one fan, and then the other one is down. There's the controller, and there's another one down on this side. Only one of the two fans spins. It doesn't matter if the car's been running for 4 hours or if the car's been running for 20 minutes. It's my understanding from previous vehicles that I've worked on that both fans, well, at least you should have constant flow when your AC is running to pull through the condenser. So that being said, there's a couple of reasons typically this goes bad. There's a switch, which is, I'm sure, is located in this lovely box. I don't think that's the case because we do have a fan kicking on, so I don't know how this one's wired in particular yet. I don't even have a manual on it. The other thing too, so to me that leads to believe that energy is making it from that box to our next point, which is this lovely switch that I'm going to change out. This is the AC pressure switch. We're going to try this first. Here's the part number. This is made by Universal Air Conditioners. Universal Air Conditioner Inc. I can put a link in the description from Amazon. The best part about this one is the Ford one for this sensor is $82 or something like that. This one's $20, and the cool part to it is, oh, sorry, that number right there. Oops, come in focus. Sorry. Well, I guess I can't get to focus in. I'll try to pull away. Either way, there is Ford stamping on this part. I wish I could get to put there. You see the Ford logo? So, and it came from Universal. And there's the part number. So, anyways, so what I'm going to do, this is I'm going to try this first because this was cheap. This was 20 bucks. I think a little under 20. If you have Amazon Prime, it's save on shipping, but I'm going to try this sensor. So on the 2009 Ford Flex, 3.5 liter naturally aspirated. I'm sure on the EcoBoost models, it's probably in the same location. Following the AC lines, it is down here, passenger front, just off the radiator, and we're going to take it out. It should be just an O-ring to replace once it's pop free. And then I've got a package of those. I would make sure that you have some. This one didn't come with one, which is odd. And then we'll try to start up again, see both fans spin. If they don't spin, then I know that, or at least I think that I need to get a new fan system, in which case that'll be a whole nother video. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it and replace this. Oh, this is a 14 millimeter, this nut to undo these. Alright guys, so I took the old one off. Old one's in back, new one's in front. You can see part number is almost identical. At least the main part of the part number is. So that also should help validate things. And I put a new O-ring on there. The old one, new one. I bought an O-ring kit, and I put those on there. So anyways, back to the Flex. So it should just be as simple as screwing it on. You can see it's just a Schrader valve or whatever it's called. And then once we get it on there, we'll just snug it down. Alright guys, so moment of truth. Started the car back up. See that fan over there is running. This fan's still dead in the water. So now you can see the blade should be turning down. So gonna take it for a drive and come back. Doesn't appear that we have any leaks. But I'll pull out my UV lights to double check it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Next video will probably be replacing a fan.